Ladies and gentlemen, you guys are welcome back to my channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how I designed this flyer using AI, Photoshop and CorelDraw. Yes, you heard me right. I use both AI, I use Photoshop for camera raw effect, and then I added the text in CorelDraw, and I'm going to be showing you how I made it from scratch. I'm not holding anything back, right? So when I did this, the first question that came to my mind is, are designers really safe? Are we safe? Are we safe? Because AI is going mad, right? But it occurred to me again that we are very safe as far as we are going to reinvent ourselves and learn more, to use AI to do more, right? What if I told you that I generate this thing using just prompts, right? I generated this using prompts, and then I just made adjustments on color, and then I was able to change the text. I'll be showing you how I did everything. I'm not holding anything back, right? I want to be free with you, right? Just enjoy, relax, because it's about to be a movie. So if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe, please share the video, please like, please comment, right? I've noticed that about 65 to 70% of you guys watching this video, watching my tutorials, are not subscribed to the channel. I beg now, yeah? I beg, let's grow this channel together. Please subscribe, right? Subscribe so that I'll be motivated to keep giving out more valuable tips, more valuable design tutorials, right? So let's get into this. So these are the ones that I generated using ChatGPT, right? And then I proceeded to use other AI tools like Whisk. I use Whisk to generate this one. You can see this is mind-blowing. This is mind-blowing. I will show you how I was able to generate all of them, and you can use it, right, to generate anything that you want. You can see I use ImageFX for this one. I'll put the link to all of them in the description. Both you can use ChatGPT. I'll put the link to ImageFX and Whisk in the description of this video. You can click on it and then use it. You can use it to type anything. I'm just using this one for my graphic design masterclass. My class is coming up in this September, so people are registering already. You can register too. We'll be going detailed into how I did all of this in the class, right? But this is just a tutorial I just wished to share with you guys. We'll be doing more of it in the class. So register for the class and then we'll go from there, right? You're going to be getting more value. So I use ImageFX for this one, ImageFX for this one, ImageFX for this one, and then Whisk for this. You can see this is mind-blowing, right? And then this is ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. ChatGPT, ChatGPT, ChatGPT. And then all these ones are ChatGPT. And then this one, ImageFX, and then this one, Whisk, right? So let us first of all start from where I started from, right? Where I started from. The idea came when I was creating a flyer for myself. You can see people are subscribing already to my class, right? So the idea came, and I thought I needed something that is more attractive compared to other flyers I've been doing for my master class. And I wrote to ChatGPT, not a fantastic script, right? All those scripts that you're seeing online, people are not creating those scripts by themselves. They are using ChatGPT to write scripts to bobo you guys, of course. So you too, you can write something. You can tell ChatGPT that you want something, and ChatGPT will help you, or you can tell ChatGPT to create a prompt for you. If you register for the class, we're going to be practicing all of that. So I wrote, I need you to help me generate graphic design. The graphic will be up and design will be under it. At the center, all in 3D format and with desert or bush texture text effect. The background is a desert or bush, giving the vibe that the letters are growing from the bush or emanating from the desert above the ground. And this is what it gives me, right? It gave me this and I didn't like it. You guys can see. I didn't like it. So what did I do? I asked it, create a prompt. Okay, it's loading. See what it gives me. It gave me this. And trust me, this did not sit well with me. I didn't like it. So I now say create a prompt for me to generate it somewhere else. And this is the prompt it gave me, right? However, I did not use the prompt. Rather, I just open my Microsoft Edge, open another ChatGPT there, and then I copy the same thing that I wrote to the other ChatGPT and I pasted it here. You can see this is the same thing that I use here, right? I just copied it, open my Edge, and then I pasted this, right? And then it gives me this one. But I still did not like it because this is not what I wanted. You can see that the difference from this one and the one I used in the design is way different. It's too much, right? I'm using free ChatGPT version, so I'm using free, and I exhausted the one I was using. The one I had for the day. I exhausted it, right? And then during the day, I was online and I saw this from this guy, the graphics something, right? I saw it and I just liked it. It's familiar to what I was doing, so I just copied it, right? When I copied it, I tried to use it as a reference. You too can do this. If you see anything that you like that is related to whatever you're working on, you can copy it as an inspiration to get idea, to instruct ChatGPT or any AI tool of what you are expecting from them. You understand? So I just copied this as a reference, to what I was working on, and I pasted it here. And I say use this as a reference. Let GRA be at the top and PHIC be under it, and let masterclass be at the bottom, the same length, right? I just pasted it and boom, see what I got. The only thing that I did here was this masterclass that it added again, so I will be removing that later, right? And this is what I got, right? This is what I got. So from here, right, to this place, you can see. So I just use that as a reference and I got this. And I'll say generate another one. And then it generated another one that is similar to the first one. You can see, right? Another one that is similar to that one, right? So, and I'll say, I love this. Can you let it be an expressway background? Like it is placed on the road. You can see. And it gives me this road effect, this road background that you're seeing right now. You feel me? So that is how I did everything. And I said, there's no design here. Please add design. You can see that it's just a graphic masterclass. I did not notice that from the beginning. So I now asked the AI to include design. Then it asked me a few questions, whether I want it at the top, at the bottom, or anywhere. And then I said, let it sit directly under graphics. And then you can see masterclass. You understand? Graphic design masterclass, right? So that is it, guys. I downloaded this one and I took it to Photoshop, right? That is the one I use in my design. However, I asked it to create a script for me. By script, I mean prompt, for me to generate this using another AI tool. And then it generates this prompt for me, right? This prompt that I generated, I just copied it like this. This is what I will put this prompt in the comment section so that you can see it too. If you want to use this prompt to generate another thing that is not graphic design masterclass, just change this. Change this thing that you are seeing here. Just change this thing that you are seeing here and use it to generate another thing. We'll try that later, but let me go to ImageFX, right? When I come to ImageFX, I copy the prompt that I copied here. The prompt that I copied, I just pasted it here. And then it gave me these guys you're seeing right now, right? It gave me this. Let me go and open them on my system. it gave me this graphic design masterclass. It added the physics self, graphic design masterclass. That's just dope. That's just dope. Graphic design master masterclass. Of course, you just look for the one that you can use, right? Just look for the one that you can use, and then it will just work for you, right? You can see what it gives me. So this is what it gives us. Then I took the same script, the same prompt. This one is ImageFX, and I took the same prompt to Whisk, right? To Whisk, and then this is what Whisk gave me. You can see. Let me go and open this, right, in on my system, and you see what Whisk gave me. Whisk. This is what I got from Whisk. These ones, right? So you realize now that me, I love this one particularly. I love the one from Whisk. I don't know, and I love the one from ChatGPT. It's just only that ImageFX that is giving me what I don't know. Because why do I ask you to download something for me and then you are adding to it season master colors? You understand? So I think I like the one from Whisk more, right? So, but if you want to use it for something else, maybe you want to use it for church event, maybe like church Sunday school service, right? You can just change. You can just change the text like this graphic design masterclass. You can change it to something else, right? Okay, let's assume that you want to use it for church Sunday service or Sunday school service. Sunday school service. Let's go and change it. We are going to change Sunday school service, right? So let's go. Let's go here. We'll change this one to Sunday. We'll change this one to school. And then we'll change this one to service, right? And then you just press enter. So let's see what it generates. I'm using Whisk, by the way. Fantastic. Fantastic. Let me generate another one. This is fantastic. I'm going to open this for you guys to see. This is solorious. This is beautiful, right? Let's generate another one. Let's go. Right? So this is Whisk. Let's go to ImageFX and change the same thing. This one will be Sunday school service. Sunday school service. Then you click on generate. For this one, you have to set the listing that you want to, the size that you want. So I'm putting mine on this mobile phone, this thing. You can see it. Just click on this thing that you're seeing here, the settings. Then you can change it. I'm using mobile phone. Then you can just click create. Let's wait for it. Right? Right? Can you see? Sunday school service. Let me download all of them. Hey, this is beautiful. You see, something about ImageFX annoys me, eh? See, Sunday school service. Why does he have to put school, two schools? Why? Eh? This is even great. This is great. This is dope. This is dope. But why does he have to put service, school? Something about ImageFX gets me really mad. But this is fantastic, right? So you can use it. In fact, me, I'm going to use this thing that I just did now. I'm going to use it for design. This thing, I'm going to use it. I will use it to create a design that I will add on my portfolio, right? See, Sunday school service. Sunday school service, Sunday school service. You see, you see, you see, this is fantastic. This is fantastic, right? So I've shown you how to use ChatGPT and ImageFX and Whisk, right? Creatively to create something fantastic. Then do, how did I use it now? Right? So because this thing was having a watermark, it was having masterclass at the bottom, right? Which I did not need. Like this one, for example, I didn't need this, right? I didn't need this. So how did I do it? I just drag it like this. I drag it to Photoshop, right? I drag it to Photoshop, and then I took my what's it called? My clone stamp 2, clone stamp 2, then I use it to erase it. Just erase it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just erase all of these that you're seeing here. Just erase it like this. Just erase it. Right? You see what we have right now. So the next thing you are going to do is double click here and click on OK, just to remove the foreground, right? And click on OK. Then you come to filter, and then you come to camera raw, right? You wait for it to load. When you come to camera raw, the first thing you're going to do is you come to basic, right? And then increase the exposure. Increase the exposure just a little, and then increase the contrast, right? Increase the contrast like this. And then just adjust the layer, the highlight, just a little, you see, just a little. And then the shadow, let's take the shadow down a little. The white, if you need white, you can increase the white. If you don't need it, you can take it back, right? But I think I'll take it back, or let me just leave it this way, right? The black, I'll just take the black down a little, right? And then the texture, I'm going to increase the texture to 100. And then the clarity, you increase it. Let me take it back just a little. I don't know. Let me take it back like this, right? Just a little. And then the haze, okay, let's just increase the haze just a little like this, right? After that, just close the basic and then come to detail, right? When you come to detail, increase the sharpening a little, just increase it just a little like this, right? And then the noise just a little too. And then that is it, guys. That is, then you click on OK. From here to here, from here to here, you see. Then you can then apply a little brightness adjustment, right? Brightness and contrast, just a little to it. And then you can save it. Control Shift S on your keyboard, because I use CorelDraw, right? So I'm saving it now, and then I'll take it to CorelDraw, save it as JPEG, and then I'm taking it to CorelDraw, right? So the size of the flyer is going to be 5.5 by 7.5, right? So that is it. Then I just import, I right click, import, then you select the one that you save from Photoshop, and then you just import it like this, right? And then you put it this way. You see what I'm saying, right? Then you right click on it, come to power clip inside, and then you power click it inside the container, right? Then you can right click like this and then come to edit power clip and then go inside the box and then you adjust it, right? You see what I have right now, right? So the next thing that I did, I took my rectangle tool and then I draw like this, right? After that, I took my eyedropper tool and then I pick a color like this. I select the color and pour it inside, right? And then I take my transparency tool and then I apply it this way, right? Apply it this way, right? And then I brought my text. I brought my text in. These are my text. I just brought the text in like this. I brought the text in like this, right? And then I draw a box like this one. And then I give you white. Then I put this text on it, right? I also felt that the background the color that I copied was not dark enough. I needed it to be darker. So I click on it like this and then I come to this place. I double click, open it, and then I adjust the color like this to a more darker one, right? And then that is it, guys. That is it, guys. You see now, right? You see now, I am done like this. So you can use yours as church flyer, as anything, just like I've shown you guys here. Just like I've shown you guys here, as you can see, right? Just like I've shown you, this is perfect for Sunday, Sunday school service. This is perfect. You can just put "don't be late," "don't be late" down here, and then you've designed a church something, right? You've designed something. So this is it, guys. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so that we can reach more people and more people will come to the channel, right? Thank you, guys, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.